Jim Morrison, Blondie, and some stormtroopers. I'm about to quit before I throw a fit. It's raining, I'm dripping sweat all over it. Here, drip, Blondie. Whoa! I screwed these up so bad. I put the one stencil on one way, and then on the Jim Morrison stencil on the other one, I flopped it like a moron. But it looks kind of trippy. So I'm keeping it that way. Happy accidents. You know what I'm saying? I'm dripping all over the place.
Oh, hell no!
Princess Bride characters. Terrible. Inconceivable. No worries. I'm giving these away for free. Trying to lure people into helping me paint at the next art walk this Saturday. Come help paint and I'll give you one of the worst paintings I've ever made. Deal? I made 2 horrible Madonnas, 2 alright John Lennons, 1 not so good John Lennon, and 1 not so good Ringo Starr. Why make more than 1 Ringo Starr? Nobody wants Ringo Starr. Seriously, who wants Ringo Starr? Nobody. In Sanford, when I brought all those paintings for everybody to take who helped, you were supposed to take 1. I saw some lady walking off with like 6 of them. She didn't help. I'm gonna have to, you all are gonna have to come up to me and ask for your painting. And then I will give you one of these crappy paintings. Some of them are turning out okay, but, and I don't know why I don't stop, because it's raining and I'm sweating all over the place. I just can't stop. I don't have it in me. Seinfeld characters. It's Prince. It's the police. I support the police. Get it? And I support the real police too. And if you don't, you're crazy.
You stupid.
Everyone's favorite meth dealer, Heisenberg, and Jerry Garcia. Who's Jerry Garcia? Gene turned out good. Okay, I got some other Kiss guy. Who's that Kiss guy? I don't even know his name. I know that's Hellboy though. Alright, that's gonna conclude today's goofed up stencil painting session. Thanks for tuning in to another stencil painting session. First time I ever did it in the rain. Some of them turned out pretty sloppy, but still look kind of cool. No wrong way to do art, people. Some of the paintings were painted on paneling, cheap paneling. So I made these things as fast as humanly possible and as cheap as humanly possible. But I made them good. And that's how Americans like their stuff. Fast, cheap, but good. I'm just trying to make stuff fast and cheap, you know, like the other countries. This art was made in America. It was made faster and cheaper, but better, because it's made in the USA. If people like my page, first of all, thank you. And second of all, if you like my page, would you please hop over to Lanco Paints and Coatings on Facebook. Please like their page. Lanco Paints. Lanco, baby. It's the best. Please like their page because they are supplying me with all the paint I'm going to need for the paint trail project. And any community projects that I do, which if you follow this page, you know I do a lot of that stuff. They're supplying the paint. This is awesome paint. You know, they're the only company that's helping me out. So they like what I do, and they see what I'm doing in the community, and they like it, and they wanted to be a part of it. So that says a lot about them. So if you like my page, please like Lanco Paints and Coatings on Facebook, please. Gracias. You should really like their page because now we're related. We're joined at the hip. They're supplying me with the paint, and please show your appreciation by liking their page. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. So if you saw a painting here that I made and you like it and you want one, you can't buy one. You know what I'm saying? You got to come down to Art Walk in downtown Sanford this Saturday from 6 to 8. Even though I'll be there at 4:30. Because 2 hours isn't enough to paint anything. It takes me 2 hours just to unload everything and load it all up again. So I'm going to be there at 4:30. So if y'all feel like painting, look for me in the Welcome Center courtyard. I'll be there whether they want me there or not. Trust me.